Now you see, it's also not the solid surfaces, in fact even the air and water, they also offer friction. You know, air and water, that is the gas and the liquid, because they flow, they are called together fluids. And what we find is that fluids also offer resistance or friction. So when things have to move in air or in water, like in the case of boats, ships, aeroplanes, even cars, then what do? Because there is resistance or friction offered by air and water. You know how human beings learned this? They learnt it through nature. In nature, they studied how fish move in water. See, if this is a fish, it is somewhat like this. Now, can you see this fish has this pointed end, and your boat also has pointed ends, because when the end is pointed, then it can cut through water. The surface of water is at a very small point, it is offering friction, but had it been something like this, then the friction offered will be much more. Similarly, in the case of aeroplanes also, you find that the shape is streamlined. This kind of shape is called streamlined. And when anything is boat shaped or streamlined or pointed, it pierces through the fluid, be it air, be it water. That is why even in the case of birds, we find that their tail and the beak is comparatively narrow, and the central part is the wider part. This is so that they can cut through air. And similarly, aeroplanes are always streamlined. And these days, even the fast moving cars are made in such a fashion that they are streamlined and they can pierce through air and give you good speed.